Edie Beans with a Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making oat flour bread. This recipe comes from my Uncle Teddy, who used to work at a flour mill in the 60s. Now, Stu loves this recipe. It just so happens that it is gluten-free and dairy-free. The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Remember, subscribe to the Little House of Beans, smooshy the like button, hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified of our great recipes. And we do have a cookbook available on Amazon and as an ebook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, link below as well. Join our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. I am eager to make this oat flour bread. It is breakfast here in Florida, and I cannot wait to bake oat flour bread. Let's cook.
Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Butterflies in my stomach, butterflies in my chest.
So I've soaked some chia seeds in a little bit of water, and this is just to have the batter blend more smoothly into the bread and retain its moisture.
Do you want me to? Once you hear the rhythm playing, promise you won't be complaining. I'll be here for it if it's for you. Once my body gets to swaying, promise you won't be.
So I ran out of chia seeds, and thank heaven for my next door neighbor, Carmen, who had some in her pantry. Thanks, Carmen. This bread's going to you.
Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Yeah. Beautiful girls are coming. Funny girls are real sweet. I don't say these words.
I'm using 3/4 cup of applesauce. If you don't like applesauce, you can substitute this for 3/4 cup of plain yogurt. And if you want to keep it dairy-free, of course, dairy-free yogurt. But I had applesauce in the house, and why not?
I'll be here for it if it's for you. Once my body gets to swaying, promise you won't be complaining. And I'll be saying, yeah, yeah. Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Oh, every heart in the world is looking for a partner. Many fish in the sea, but there's one I'm chasing after. I'm not afraid to tell the world who I choose. Baby,